If you or a loved one are struggling with type 2 diabetes, you should visit the link in the description below. This clinically proven, drug-free program lowers blood sugar to a normal level and can completely reverse type 2 diabetes within just a few weeks. Here's today's video.
The question, can a plant-based diet really help stop reverse diabetes? Answer by Jim Crane. Dr. Michael Greger, MD, who is pledged to read every English nutritional journal of peer-reviewed work, not anecdotal headlines, presents how a plant-based diet can mitigate and even reverse type 2 diabetes. Look at this video. http://nutritionfacts.org/video/. He also has a video that explains what causes type 2 diabetes. It is not simply eating too much sugar. It is our decreased ability to process sugar or get rid of excess sugar in our systems. He quotes studies that show that elevation of fat levels in the blood causes insulin resistance by inhibition of glucose transport into the muscles. Fat is the cause of type 2 diabetes. Nutrition Facts.org. Also look for the work of Dr. Neal Barnard, MD, who focuses on diabetes specifically. He has done the work personally, treating patients. He is not simply reporting what others have done. Check out his TED Talk, Tackling Diabetes with a Bold New Dietary Approach, Neal Barnard at TEDx Fremont. He published a study in 2009, https://www.ncb.nlm.nih.gov/PMC. Explore his website. Neal Barnard. Answer by Janalvi Sundaresan. I read all the answers. I like Gina's answer best. I am glad someone asked this question because I can answer based on my present experience. I am type 2 diabetic. In the second week of May I started ketogenic vegan diet for 5 days. I was on avocado and olives, almonds and coconut oil. I lost 5 pounds in 3 days but feeling horrible on the 4th and 5th day. I was on less than 50 grams net carb. I took the fasting glucose test. It was a whopping 139, much higher than my usual 112. Then by chance I came across Dr. Cyrus Kambahata's video on reversal of insulin resistance, which was based on very low fat of no more than 20 grams a day and unlimited carbs like fruits, vegetables, legumes and whole grains. I tried http://that. In a week my sugar went down to 104. The following week it went down to 92. I am following very low fat vegan diet and I have lost 14 additional pounds in 2 months without a sweat. For me, low-fat diet is a lot easier than low-carb because I get to eat all my favorite roots, rice, bread, legumes, potatoes, and still my caloric intake is lower than 1,200 a day because of cutting fat. I feel full all the time and just hungry for the right meal. Fasting blood sugar is within range despite giving up one metformin. I only take one a day now. I am still losing weight. I should be at most 135 pounds and I am 137.6 pounds as of today and only 3 more to go while still losing http://weight. So yes, and a resounding yes for plant-based low-fat diet for reversal of type 2 diabetes. It is the fat that causes insulin resistance and not the carbs. The fat gets into the muscle tissues by glycating and sits there as intramyocellular lipid fat inside the muscle cells. This prevents glucose from entering the cell as glycogen. The brain needs its favorite fuel, the http://glucose, from glycogen. It does not get it. Hence more insulin is produced, causing insulin resistance. Once you clear the clog of fat from cell by low-fat diet and exercise, glucose can enter the cells. Yes, once again, resounding yes for plant-based but low-fat whole food diet. Answer by Audrey Barber. No, a plant-based diet, aka veganism, is not a silver bullet for disease. You can be sick on any diet, depending on what you eat. That being said, a plant-based diet, if done correctly, can be very beneficial. With type 2 diabetes, the increased fiber in a diet high in vegetables can aid in slowing down absorption of sugar. This prevents an insulin spike. The increased micronutrients in whole foods will also help your body develop a faster metabolism. If you eat vegan foods like Oreos, cashew milk ice cream, and pasta, you will probably do just the same as if you were on an average Western diet.